Hello, my friends. Today I saw this ad, and I was in the kitchen, busy in the kitchen. I came back and I opened my Marktplaats and I saw this ad. It was just viewed one time. I was the second viewer. The guy had a telephone number, and I immediately called him because this is it, the Akai AA-1200. And as you all know, I had them all. I had the AA-35, the AA-30, the AA-50, the AA-1175 with 75 watt the channel, and now I have the AA-1200. I can score it. Four for the price of €200. €200, my friends, is unbelievable. But here's the price. Price is €200, shipping cost €14.50. But it is 2 hours driving for me. So he wrote, if you are seriously interested, please email or call. And of course I called the guy. I mean, everybody knows the value from maybe not everybody, but many people know the value of AA 1200. And I saw that the wood was okay. Very nice, nice, my friends. Beautiful Akai AA-1200. 2 times 120 watt. Unbelievable. And it's looking nice, eh? This is not damaged, it's a sticker. And okay. So I saw the pictures. Well, I didn't even saw the picture. I called the guy immediately. I think, okay, let me be the first, please. I called the guy and told him I'm gonna pick it up for the €200 he asked. He said, okay. So I'm gonna pick this thing up. Oh, my friends, I'm so happy. And for this thing, yes, I want to drive 200 kilometers. And lucky for me, my sister is coming with me, so I'm not sitting alone in that car. And I hope it is still okay, you know, when I'm there. Okay? Well, guys, I'm on my route to that Akai AA-1200. Yeah. After so many years, I finally can score one, but for a good price. You just saw it, how much I'm gonna pay for the thing, and that's a very good price because the value of these things I'm not sure of it. Above €500, above 100%, maybe 6, maybe 7, not sure. But okay, I have to drive still 2 hours because I left after I called the guy. I left an hour after that phone call because I still had to do other things and to pick up my sister, and it is almost dark, so you will not see the road trip today. No, it is too dark. What's outside, how dark it is. It starts in 5 minutes, it is dark. 5 or 10 minutes it is dark. I have my light on in my car, so there is enough to film over here. Let me see where I am. Yeah, there's still some cars without the headlights on, so I have to be careful. But yeah, Akai AA-1200, my friends, 2 times 120 watt. And I was the second viewer from that ad. I called the guy and oh my god, I was so happy that I could score one. But yeah, normally I do not drive 200 kilometers for a thing anymore. But yeah, for this one, when will I have another chance? You know, in this lifetime, I don't think there will be another opportunity. And the guy from the ad, so I told him I'm gonna pick it up, and then he told me, you know how you know the price? I asked. I said, yeah, it's 200. I I said yes, because he thought, okay, this is a lot of money, 200 euro for this old thing, and it's a fair price. It's a fair price for this guy. Not for me. It's not fair. It's cheap. It's cheap, my friend. It's cheap. And Akai AA-1200 for 200 euro. Unbelievable lucky guy. I cannot show you the route because it is too dark. And when I'm there, and the thing is in my trunk. Yesterday I scored some Tannoy's T125. Unbelievable. But this guy had an ad on Dutch eBay with these two speakers in his garden, and the only thing he wrote was, I only saw the front side with the covers, and the only thing he wrote was Tannoy speakers. So I mailed this guy and I offered him 20 euro. It was close from my house. I think 20 minutes drive, 25 minutes drive. And the guy say after 5 minutes, okay, it's good, come and pick them up. So when I came, I still didn't know what Tannoy speakers they were. Yeah, I didn't ask. And then when I saw the speakers, the size, I immediately knew these are good ones. I turned one around and I saw T125, and they're still in my trunk because I didn't expect that I today would pick up my car again to pick something else, you know. So tonight when I come home, I have to walk 2 times. One time for that Akai, and one time for those speakers with my trolley. Because I still have pain in my back from that free torrent turntable score. Unbelievable, my friends. I'm scoring and I'm very lucky. But okay, after now I stop scoring. I start filming the VS test between speakers, you know, stuff like that. You will see more of those videos from now on, you know, more a mix. Because the last 2-3 weeks, from when I start again posting videos, you saw often those scoring videos, those other videos, and not everybody is happy with those videos. I know, guys. But you have to be patient with me, always. The good stuff will always automatically come on my channel, so don't worry. I come back when I bought the thing.
Die ook belangrijk. Welke CD, die kwalitatief voor dit CD, andere.
Wel lachen dat we nou een bende zijn, hè, Andrew, dat opa en oma hier hebben gewoond. Ja. Hey? Hoe lang geleden is het nu al niet geweest?
Met vinyl. Ik vinyl luisteren.
Dat zegt u?
Ik luister vinyl.
Oh, oké.
Dat is helemaal andere.
Wat heb je allemaal, joh?
Ja, dat is mijn hobby. Waarom?
Ja, maar weet je wat, je kan beter dit hebben als vrouw. Vrouwen kosten alleen maar geld. Woman. If you have a woman, you cannot have no hobby as man.
Ja, kom.
Wat is dit?
Kijk, Sansui boxen, super man. Ik maak jou superprijs. Echt super boxen, Sansui. Echt goeie.
What is this? Sony?
Sony. Oude.
And you have how many pickups?
Kijk die Sony. Boom.
And
Super Edition serie.
What is dit? Oh, speakers.
Ah, die kleine. Die, kijk, Super Edition. 4 versterker, 1 versterker.
Maar wat moet je met deze, die kleintjes?
Die kleintje?
Ja.
Voor jou?
Nee, TA70.
Ja.
Die is kleintje, joh.
Nee, 30 watt. Dat is genoeg. Voor kamer genoeg.
Laat maar kijken, kan die eraf, die ding?
In principe ja.
Nee, die scherm, even kijken hoe dat eruit ziet.
Ah, lindo. Oké.
Sansui speakers.
Die mooie, echt mooie speaker.
This is like a paradise. A small paradise for audio.
Kijk,
Oh,
super. Echt super.
Ik zal je vertellen, I just saw the Sony SS-5050 Carbocon. I will show you. And now I only
Ja, maar kijk hier. Welke serie. Kijk,
Yeah, but
kijk.
it's too
Yes, there.
too new.
Nee. Nee. Echt niet. 1970.
Nee.
Ja, man. Ja.
Nee, dit is
Ja.
nee.
Ja.
Die Akai is 1978.
Ja.
77.
Ah, deze zelfde leeftijd.
Nee, dit is jong.
Nee.
Jonger.
Echt niet.
Ja.
Oké, ik nu kijk je internet. Geen probleem.
Oh, ik lach om die jongen. Maar je vader heeft een leuke hobby.
I want to see the speakers one more time. Unbelievable.
Maar Sansui.
The sound of these speakers, my friends. Listen to this. Hij is uit.
Jouw koffie klaar.
Hij is uit.
Ik heb dan maar eens doen.
Nee, nou, ik niks meer. Oh. The sound of these speakers, my friends. Listen to this. Oeh, pain in my ears. The Sony Carbocon SS-5050.
Ja.
And I'm going to hunt them now. He asked a little bit too much, and he already sold them. So, but I heard them, and I want to have them. You even have the 650, yeah? The 6050, the bigger one, eh?
Ja, 50-50.
6050 you have the bigger one. You have a bigger one than this one? 6050 or not? This is the biggest.
That's a 50-50.
It's the biggest.
Ja.
You also have 6050, yeah?
Sparsvis klonkjes.
I think so.
Ja.
Wow, you think this
Ja,
stuff?
mijn fout. Dit is 89. Ik denk dit is
Yeah.
79.
Yeah.
Sorry, oké.
This one is from 84. 84. The 11. Yeah, and I know it. My friends, the Akai AA-1200. Unbelievable, the lamps are out. But I have these lamps in my house. I can repair it. And it is pretty mint. Beautiful, beautiful. It is dirty. I have to clean it. Beautiful, but I love these speakers so much. I never knew these speakers could sound so beautiful. And it is a real vintage sound, my friend. The Sony SS-5050. And you have there that's a Torrens turntable. You have a Torrens turntable.
Ja, alsjeblieft.
Unbelievable. And you have there a which one is better, the Sony turntable or the Torrens?
Sony.
Sony's better.
Ja.
Unbelievable. A Torrens turntable. The TD. These things, I don't ask him for the price because I know they're expensive. And there he have the Sony.
60.
The Sony X60.
Ja.
Beautiful, beautiful. And of course, the Sansui AU-D11. An unbelievable sound. Unbelievable. And what's the thing on top? A CD player.
Ja.
I never saw a CD player like this. Sony. Beautiful. Also carbon Sony, but the newer models.
Ja.
Yeah, this guy. Yeah.
Wil je luisteren?
No. It's okay. No sound for me. Well, my friends.
Geen probleem.
I came for the Akai, and I saw so many pretty nice things. And I asked him, what's the price for the speakers? He said 450. Okay, it's a bit too much for me, my friends. But I'm going to hunt them. I'm going to hunt them.
Idea?
Deep purple. Deep purple. Okay, he's going to do a deep purple test. With his beautiful. Oh.
I do.
Nee?
I do.
No. Well, my friends, I'm gonna enjoy the sound. Thanks for watching. Put a thumbs up if you like this video. Ciao. Ciao.